Bro, I haven't seen you in so long. We'll act like we haven't already been hanging out all day.
Can you make her record us hug real fast?
Yeah. Hey, will you record us hug?
A little kiss in there or no?
What?
A little quick peck?
Just real quick, just real quick.
I'm down for a quick peck.
In the mouth.
I don't know what you've been doing with Garrett, but I'm not about it.
That was very sad because I've been hanging out with Garrett.
I'm not fucking sad.
He's jealous, bro.
Okay, yeah. That's gonna turn into a thing now. Oh, leave a comment. Let that spiral out of control. I wanted to let you know something though. The phone works both ways.
What does that mean?
That means you can also call me. You don't always have to wait for me to call you.
Look, want to see my messages, bro? I told you to go to San Diego.
I talked to you the other day, and you were like, and I was like, yo, I can't go to San Diego.
We're like fucking girls.
No, listen, I couldn't go to San Diego.
Okay,
not
cool.
a big deal. It's all good. I wasn't mad at you about that. I wasn't.
What do you mean?
mad.
I told you let's go to San Diego.
No, I know, but then you were like, no, I'm doing something with Gary real quick. I'll hit you up in a minute, and you never hit me up.
No, but here's the thing.
You never hit me up.
I was like,
okay. The phone works both ways.
No, but listen, guys. He's just trying to make me look like a bad guy.
Listen, guys. He's
Like, listen.
Listen.
The good thing about it is that we're together.
Shut up, you
right
stupid
now.
Mexican.
We're here together right now.
That's true. All right.
Just because I'm Mexican, I get treated like this.
Am I abusive?
Definitely not.
Jason got a new car.
Wait. Let
Is
me
that blue?
tell him. It's my car.
All right, tell him.
It's your video, but
All right, tell him.
I glowed up and everything. New whip. Check it out. New whip.
What's your license plate number?
I literally don't have license plate.
Is your license still suspended?
Yeah, license suspended, no insurance, no registration. Welcome to the life of Mexican.
Here's a pool. It's closed. So we're gonna go in it for free.
For free?
For free, boy.
That high dive is looking mighty appetizing right now.
But are you gonna flip off of it?
You can do a gainer off it with me?
No.
What? Are you scared of high dive?
No, I'll jump off that, but I won't gainer off that.
We're gonna be in our straight up underwear.
Underwear.
Having a little trouble there or what?
Yeah. Yeah.
How'd you get up there? Parkour?
Get off! Get off! Okay.
What was I thinking?
Yeah,
Parkour.
what were you
Okay.
thinking, bro? Go check his alarm.
Oh, the alarm. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, wait, let's test it. Let's see how fucking warm it is. Oh, it's cold, boy.
I can't wait to piss in it.
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Dude, that is pretty high.
Ready?
Bro, that thing is high. Dude, I didn't realize how deep it is.
How'd you do that?
That hurt my head.
Dude, look how deep this shit is.
How did you dive like that?
Was it good? I'm an Olympic trainer.
Oh, what the fuck?
Go. It's not high, bro, at all. He's funny.
Fuck, any louder?
This thing is loud.
Bro, that's fucking insane, dude. I can't even picture myself diving into that. Yeah, you know what fucking Dale did, dude? Yeah, it's because I let him borrow my car to go get something to drink. And you know what the fuck? He's so stupid. It's because he's been drinking, dude.
You want drink?
No, he was drinking and he fucking crashed my car.
You're lying.
No, I swear to God, but it's not like it still runs and shit, but my whole fucking thing is fucked, dude. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm serious. I don't know what to do. And he just fucking left, dude. Like, it's because that nigga, he's acting weird just because he's been drinking.
What? 'What the heck? Like, he should at least, like, I don't know, like, tell me, like, what the fuck? 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 Like, Did he tell you anything?
Nah, just kidding, baby.
Got it!
I'm sorry. He was recording me.
I didn't know that's what you were gonna fucking come up with.
Are you mad?
No.
That was pretty good though. Yeah, I know. And see what you did though?
No, you can't be mad. It's my birthday.
It's his birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Dale.
So I'm filming this the day before my birthday. Hopefully this is going up on my birthday, but I'm here with the entirety of Future Mob, and we're going to Dark Harbor on the Queen Mary. It's like a haunted house type shit. I love that stuff. Always have ever since I was a kid. What'd you say?
Dude, that's one of the mazes. I'm trying to work here, bro. We weren't just going through the mazes anymore. We got over it. So we decided to be the actual workers, and we were hiding in every little spot. We were switching up spots and everything, and we're just actually scaring people. Instead of regular screaming, I was like, "Eat my ass!" and people will freak the fuck out. I wasn't ready.
Let's go.
What?
We should go. Let's go. Keep going.
I know. I need a haircut. I've been seeing all the comments. But yo, me and Edwin and I, if you guys don't know who Edwin is, Edwin does Erased with Luis. Him and I just started a podcast. I don't want to call it a podcast, but let's call it what it is. That's what it is. And we're uploading it to SoundCloud on November 1st. That is the first episode. I've been posting pictures and like little flyers of it on my Instagram story. It's called System Error. We talk about stuff like relating to anything from YouTube to branding to brands and like the stuff that we're both doing. So if anyone's interested in that kind of stuff, I'm gonna put that link in my description on November 1st. That's when it's dropping. I'm not sure what time, but I'll upload a video and I'll have that link in the description so you can check it out also. Shirts at Program coming very soon. I just want to keep you guys in the loop and keep letting you know because those are coming. I'm not sure if it's going to be a long sleeve or a short sleeve t-shirt yet. I also have a shirt coming out at BLUETILE and some pants coming out as well. Me and BLUETILE did a little collaboration t-shirt, another one like we did last year, and I'm coming out with some Slammin' pants. All of that stuff coming in November. I'm not too sure whether or not I'm gonna actually release stuff on the website other than the pants, simply because I think this is a lot with the shirt with BLUETILE, the shirt at Program, and the pants. So I might just save it for the next drop. I'm not too sure yet. I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.